What's going on, guys? So today I want to show you an easy way to make a beautiful Shopify store using your AIs. It's very simple, so stay tuned if you guys want a wicked store that just sets you apart from the other ones. Okay, so we all know Shopify. If you are familiar with it, you get, I don't know, like there's like 10 or 20 free themes, and you can design them all yourself. It takes a few days. It's a little bit of a headache if you don't know what you're doing, but this is a very easy way to just put your niche product or whatever you're using to Shopify for, and it just does it all. It gives you a beautiful layout, style, everything. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to use Horizon or any of the themes. It doesn't really matter because we are going to be changing the code, but in like a very easy way with the AIs. So what you want to do is you want to go into Shopify here, and you want to pick the theme that you've already done, right? Or the theme that's already here. It's Horizon, right? So you can edit this theme, you can edit the code by yourself, but if you're not really savvy with the code, just download the theme file right here. It says right here. Oh, sorry. Download the theme. Download the theme file. So that's what you want to do. You want to click these two buttons on your theme, and you want to download the theme file. After it's downloaded, you want to take it over to your handy dandy AI, okay? And what you do is you upload the whole zip of that theme to chat, so he understands the layout of the code, and then he can start designing it to your niche product. And this is great if you've already been talking with your AIs about the business, the niche that you're doing, the product. He already knows what you're up to, what you're selling, what you're doing, so he'll give you a beautiful theme design of what you want, you know, rather than you having to do this all by yourself, change the colors, watch 100 million YouTube videos. This is just an easy way to get that beautiful Shopify store within like 4 clicks. So what you want to do is, after he's done, you download your theme, and then you go over here and you import. So right here it says import. Upload your zip file that chat's going to give you, right? So right now I'm going to download my zip file. I'm going to go over to here. It's already downloaded, so right, I'm going to take it, bang. Oh, you can also hook up your GitHub, but I know a lot of people aren't really that tech savvy, so the best way to do this is literally just, you know, with ChatGPT. So you upload your zip file. It's a little box right here. You take it, and then when it's downloaded, it's right here. So then now you can edit the themes. You just hop right into it, okay? Very easy, guys. Drink like a Viking. And it's pretty much got it all laid out for me, right? But anyways, yeah, this is just a very easy way to get a beautiful Shopify store in the matter of a couple clicks without having to do all these videos, YouTube videos, right? You get it pretty much handed to you. So let's edit the theme. But yeah, anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them for you. Thanks for watching. Peace.